Huge volatility kicking in. We have a VIX that's trading up around 25. We had a basically a whole stock market that was just kind of standing on top of that Nvidia earnings. We knew that the whole market was going to just kind of follow whatever Nvidia did. That's because it takes up so much of the S&P, it takes up so much of the Nasdaq, things like that, about 9 or 10% of each. And obviously, it's the biggest company in the world, so that is going to affect everything, and it did. Everything got propped up. But what we saw in here today was basically just all the extreme fear throughout the market kicking in all at once. Everybody's taking their profits and getting out of here. And that's why you had such a large drawdown overall. Now, just going by 9:30 to 4, so during trading hours, this is quite a move we had in there. Here's one of the biggest reverse Uno cards that I've seen in quite some time, just going straight from 9:30 to 4 during trading hours. Just a huge move to the downside in here, almost 20 handles on your spiders. So we were trading right around, we opened what, 673, somewhere around there. We got up to almost 676. We were trading in those upper 675s. And then we closed the day at 652. And actually, after hours now, we're trading right around 651. So just huge move in here to the downside. Now, where does that kind of put us here, though, on this weekly chart? Well, we mapped out the 652 range, 652.21 to be more exact, a while ago, and it looks like that is going to be a place for us to either be a nice resistance tomorrow if we still gonna keep on drawing down throughout the night and gapping down even more. That's going to be resistance. Or if we can get a nice little pop before 9:30 tomorrow, then we are going to stay above that range, and that'll be a support for us. Now, anything below that, we're looking basically at that 637 range. That is what we're kind of chalking everything up to. Now, to the upside, if we can hold on to that 652 range, then we're looking at 663. That's that 9-day EMA. And anything above there, it's going to be the 673 mark in here. And that's basically where we're opening at today. So all in all, on this weekly chart, there's basically three key levels for us to look at: 663, 652, and at that 673. And all of these levels, honestly, could still be in play tomorrow, depending on what happens. So you have right around an $8 expected move priced in by tomorrow. The following is going to be 12. And then after that, you're looking at around 1384. So that's what everybody's pricing in for the next few expirations here in your options chain. Obviously, just volume and open interest around the board or across the board, just through the roof. That's because you had so much volatility kicking in here today. Everybody was getting in on the action or getting out, whichever way they were looking at the overall market. So just crazy day in here. But that's what we like. We like to see more volatility pumped into these options. We want to use this to our advantage. We want to see these bigger moves. And we're going to take full advantage of this tomorrow as we're looking at our nice, big, volatile, big, juicy options Lotto Friday. So be sure to like and subscribe everything here. You can also find our Discord service in the links in our bio and things like that. And let's get on board and join us for Lotto Friday tomorrow in our Discord. And we'll see what happens with all these juiced up options.